welcome back to my channel. Guess what? It is time again for my Michael's mystery bags. I called both of my stores today. I feel like I kind of get annoyed. They kind of get annoyed when I call them. I just like, hey, I just want to know if you guys have any of those mystery bags. Yeah, and I feel like the one lady's like, well, we don't have much, so they'll probably be gone. And I'm just like, no, they won't. Not a lot of people go crazy over them. But I ended up calling both stores. Now, the one store I went to usually has boxes and boxes of stuff. But they didn't have any boxes. They just had bags. And they had probably over 100 bags of these grab bags. You can kind of see what's in them. So I'm going to wait a little bit. They might have some more boxes. But I kind of saw a majority of what they had inside. I was really hoping they had candles inside, but they didn't. So I ended up grabbing 4 of these mystery bags. Now, every Michael's store is different. I would say call them and just ask if they have the grab bags, but just call them, but they're usually $4. Some are boxes, some are bags, but every store is different. Not everybody participates in it. I've seen some people go crazy with some of these, but we're just going to open some of these boxes or these bags. Now, some of this stuff, I kind of saw what was in it, and some of the stuff I'm not a big fan of, but I am having a rummage sale next weekend, so whatever I don't want, I'm just going to resell it. So I was pretty excited to see what was in here, but the only thing I'm not a big fan of is like this fake grass. Now, this is spring Printable. They wanted $14.99 for this. Now, it's just basically like a roll of fake grass for like your fairy gardens and everything. So wasn't a big fan of that, Benjamin. So wasn't a big fan of that, but that's okay. We have a little water bottle that they had in there. It is scratched up also, and there's a lot of that gray in there. This was originally $2, so we got that. Benjamin's just gonna help himself, but they did have they have chalk in here, which I'm actually pretty excited for. They have the kids
and we
chalk.
have a different one.
They have the kids chalk. Now that grass stuff is like everywhere, but they have the chalk. I think these were like $1 or $2. They don't have a price on here, but you got ice cream cone chalk. Here they got a bunch of those really cool ice cube trays. Now these things range from $10 a piece. So now keep in mind every store is different. So here we got some alien ones. So there's 2 different types, or there's 2 of the alien ones. It's got the alien head, the astronaut, a planet, and some spaceships. So you guys can use these for ice if you want. I used to do a lot of jewelry making with stuff like this. Can you just wait 1 second, kid? You're making more of a mess than what truly it is. The next one we got is, the gentleman's ice tray. We got hats, glasses, mustaches, and bow ties. So we got that. And then we also got a set of rings, diamond rings. So those are super cute. And then here's like a little fake plant, which I'm not a big fan of. These were originally $9.99, but it's just like a little cactus plant. So not the greatest fan of that stuff. And then we also have a roll of that fake grass also for $4.99. So I didn't really care about the grass stuff, but when I saw the ice cube trays in there, I had to get the ice cube trays. So that was one bag that we got. Now we got another bag.
I don't know what's in there. Oh, wait.
Benjamin already opened. So now we got another water bottle.
What's in here? Oh, big!
This one is what I saw, and I was so excited to get it. But it is
Hold
on. This is a chalk.
A monster.
This is a chalk bucket.
Mommy, you don't know this is a buddy song?
Okay, just hold on for a second. This is a chalk bucket, so there's a bucket with the different types of chalk and sponges in it and everything. So I thought that is super cute. That's awesome.
This is like the bunny song.
So then they have this bubble hand one. So basically,
oh no, I have a different one.
Can you just wait like 1 second, please? Thank you. So we got the bubble one. So there's bubbles inside it, and then you just take your hand and do this, and there's bubbles. I've seen this like advertised everywhere lately. So got the bubbles.
And this is a different one.
So we got another ice cream cone of chalk.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. We got a rainbow of chalk, which is kind of cool. And now we have another cactus, which it looks like one,
I have a different type.
one broke off. So we got another thing of cactus.
And there's a rectangle with lots in it.
We have a summer floral accent.
Oh, that's a big square block.
Can you please just be quiet, please? So we got some of the fake floral stems.
That's a big square.
And I didn't know what this was, but a lot of this greenery stuff I will be selling. But it's like just a little carpet pad.
Mommy, look at the Dorothy in here.
Of fake grass. So, again, and that was originally $19.99. So, I don't know. I wouldn't buy some of this stuff. I just really wanted like the bubbles, and that bucket is what I really wanted. So, we got that. And now we're on our third bag.
On the four big ones in there. I don't know. You open it up, guys.
Now I looked through every single one to see if I can find any goodies.
Oh
but
my God!
A lot of them were just kind of boring.
There's shotguns in there.
Okay.
Oh, I found a
Ben, can you just hold on for a second? So the next thing we got is a 4-pack of glasses with like flamingos on it. These were originally $7. These are great plastic cups to use. To use.
What's in there?
They also gave us a balloon for a rainbow, and this is actually perfect for what I want to use it.
And it's like rainbow like that.
Yeah, so that's actually pretty perfect for something I want to use for a future DIY.
That's for our house.
Now this is a project for Ben and I to get, but it's called a Stomp Rocket. I did see these in a couple boxes. I had no idea really what it was, but all it is something you just stomp on, and then this like foam rocket goes up in the air. So that's kind of cool, little toy for Ben to play with. They have little baseball figurines. These were $14.99. It's just like 6 little guys for their figurines. More of that fake rolls of grass. Here we have the letter T.
And what's on it?
It's a letter T, and then it's got some embroidered thing on it. So.
And what does it say, like the zoo?
And then this is cool. It's little stir sticks that say cheers, tasty, delish, and yum. It's either food sticks, food picks is what these are. So those were cool. That was originally $5.
Open it.
Okay, hold on, honey. And then it looks like there's a couple more items in here. We got stickers, unicorn stickers.
And
there's 3 packs of unicorn stickers and the iridescent stuff. And then there's also note cards that were originally $7. It says, high five, you're the top dog. So there's some note cards in there. So there's that, another bag. Can we not make a mess of that stuff? That carpet stuff just for the fake grass just sheds everywhere. Okay, now on to the last and final bag. I'm gonna probably go crazy over Halloween this year for these bags if they do it, but you just gotta keep an eye out for stuff. I mean, when I went to, and there's some string that came with it that's making more of a mess too. When I went to the store last week, they had everything 80% off, so then they must have marked them down. So that was there on Saturday, and everything was 80% off.
Oh my God. We have
okay, so I saw this through the little bag. I thought this would be cool. It's like a little football. It does say it lights up. So I thought that'd be great to play catch with Benjamin.
We have a different one of people.
We have another figurine. This was $8.99 with 2 little people and a little girl and a dog. I don't know if you guys can see.
And I will look at that way Karen in.
Yeah.
Oh, and wait, and they have an ice cream on it.
Okay, the next thing we got is...
And that's
now this is something I do like. This is just a regular box that you guys could put that carpet stuff in. This was originally $11.99, so if you guys want like a little tray, this would be actually perfect for a DIY. Can you just hold on for a second? This would be perfect for a DIY if I wanted to use it as a condiment table.
Oh my God.
So here we got like a little patch of the fake grass. This stuff sheds like crazy. And I saw this through the sign and I thought this was cute. It says, God bless America, my home sweet home. I love these kind of signs. These were $12.99. So I saw that through the bag and I just had to get that. And then I saw these watermelon bags. They're 60 little treat Everything's just a mess. There's 60 little treat bags in here. I thought that was super cute. A watermelon. Ooh, I was actually looking at something like this when I was at the store the other day. They have a passport holder, and is that it? Yeah. They have a little passport holder that's like a vinyl. That's super cute. So I actually was eyeing this up when I was there the other day. So, yes, that was everything that was in my little goodie bag. I think for what I paid for it, some of that stuff, you know, some of these bags were kind of a flop, but some of them weren't. I really tried, you know, looking through the bags and seeing what I found. I like this bag because I really did see this and I saw this, so I tried to just kind of pick and choose and see what I have. But a lot of the bags had all these Limax brand stuff. There's tons of these. They had like houses and everything, but I didn't want to get that stuff because a lot of that took up the whole bag. But yes, that was my little Michael's grab bag. Sorry, there's all this fake grass just all over the table. So that was my little Michael's grab bag haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please check your stores. Now keep in mind, not every store has it, but I love doing these kind of videos to share with you guys what I got on clearance at Michael's. Give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys all later. Bye-bye.